everybody, welcome to week 2, lesson 3 of our maths sessions. Now just to let you know, you are going to need something to write with today, and if you have made yourself some 10s and 1s using Lego or blocks, you might need those as well. Okay, we're going to start off with a little game of higher or lower, so Gizzy's going to play with me for this one. Okay, I'm going to reveal the first number and then we need to decide whether we think the next card is going to be higher or lower than that number. Okay, are we ready, Gizzy? Let's have a look. First number is 22. Now we're working with numbers up to 100 here. So what do you think, Gizzy? Is it going to be higher or lower? Okay. Oh, I've got Gizzy's answer. What do you think? Shout it out. Okay, Gizzy thinks higher. Should we have a little look? Higher. Yay, well done, Gizzy. Okay, next, so we've got 71. The next card, is it going to be higher or lower than 71? What do you think, Gizzy? Okay, Gizzy's got his answer. What do you think, higher or lower? Gizzy's going with lower. Let's see. Yes, well done, Gizzy. 27 is lower than 71. Fantastic. Okay. What do you think now, higher or lower? Okay, what do you think? Gizzy's going with higher. Let's have a look. Oh, Gizzy, we were wrong. 8 is lower than 27. Okay, last one then. Higher or lower? Okay, Gizzy's got his answer. What do you think? Gizzy agrees. He says higher. Yo, just well done, Gizzy. 12. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at today's focus. So today we're carrying on with some addition work, and we're going to be looking at adding 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers. Okay, so I've put a calculation on the board to have a look at, and it says 23 plus 15. You can pause the video here if you want to and have a little go of that first, or you can stay with me and we'll go through the methods we might use. Let's have a look. Okay, so we could use a practical method, so this is where you might need your 10s and 1s that you made. So we could start with making up 23 and 15 using those 10s and 1s. So I've got 23, which we know has 2 10s and 3 1s, and 15, which we know has 1 10 and 5 1s. So I've made that out there. Then we just need to count them all up together. Now if I start with the 1s, I can count them up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can record 8 in my 1s column. Okay, and then look at the 10s. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3 10s. So I know I need to write 3 in front of that. And my answer would be 38. Well done. So that's our practical method. If you don't have 10s and 1s, or you want to do the recording method, the picture method, you could draw out your 10s and 1s. So just the same way we've made them using the equipment here, we could draw it here. Okay, so we've got my 10s and my 1s for 23, and my 10 and my 1s for 15. Count those all together in the same way, and we would come to 38. Or we could do our recorded method in the column method way. So I've got 23 and 15. Now I've written them like that, above and below each other, so that we can now look at the numbers in their place value columns. Now we always start with our 1s. So we look to our 1s first, and we can say we've got 3 1s and 5 1s. Now you can count that on really quickly, or you might know that really quickly in your head. Well, I know 5 plus 3 makes 8. So I'd write down 8 first of all, and then I go to my 10s column, and I would have 2 and 1 is 3. And there you go, I've got my answer again, 38. Okay, I'm going to give you a question to have a little go at now. So you're going to need to pause the video and then come back to me when you're ready, and we'll go through the answer together. Have a look. Your calculation to do is 32 and 27. Okay, pause the video there. So how did you get on with that? Let's have a little look together. Okay, so we had 32 plus 27. So here we go practically. We could make the 10s and the 1s. So how many 10s and 1s do I need for 32? 3 10s and 2 1s. How many 10s and 1s do I need for 27? 2 tens and 7 ones. Then we can add those all up together. Now we're going to start with the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know my number must have 9 ones. And then add up the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So my answer would be 59. Well done if you got that answer. Let's have a little look at the other methods. So again, we could draw our picture. If we don't have our tens and ones, we could draw that out instead and count them up in the same way. We would get 59. Or we could have a look at our column method. So again, starting with the ones, 2 add 7 or 7 add 2 would be 7, 8, 9. So I could write that down straight away, 9 ones. And then 3 add 2, or 3 add 2 is 5. I could write that down. Okay? Hope you did okay with that. So, your challenge then at home. Let's have a little look. Okay, a little activity that you could do at home today. Try the mental maths train at topmarks.co.uk. I keep referring to this website. It's got lots of really great maths games for all different types of number work, so it's a really good place to go. Let's have a little look at the mental maths train. So if you search for the mental maths train at topmarks.co.uk, you should come up with this game here. Now our focus is addition, so I'm going to click on the addition sign on this truck. Okay, and that will open up the different games. Okay, now there's lots to choose from here. Our focus today was this one here, 2-digit numbers. Okay, so if you want to look at our focus for today, we can go on to that one, but of course you could try out the other ones as well. So you click on this one, it will take you to the first calculation. Now what's really good about this game is that it gives you the calculation in lots of different ways, but it basically means the same thing. One number, add another number. So this says, add together 60 and 31. Okay, so we're doing 60, add 31. So we've got 60 and 31, that's no ones plus 1 1, which would give us 1. And then we've got 6 tens, add 3 tens, which would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 tens. 9 tens and 1 1 is 91. So you're going to click on the right answer and off your train goes. And then it will give you another question. Okay, have a little go at that. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.